Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn easy English with me, Rihanna Owaisi. Today's our presentation topic is, are we a nation or a crowd? So let's start our today's topic. First of all, I would like to share the meaning of both words, nation and crowd. Word nation means a large number of people united by common descent, history, culture or language, inhabiting a particular state or territory. On the other hand, the crowd means a large number of people gathered together in disorganized or unreliable way. Then why this topic added in a Google as a speech topic? Are we not gathered? If you talk about patriotism, then we Pakistani are the most patriotic nation in the world. Whenever time came, we gathered and sacrificed everything for the sake of our beloved homeland, Pakistan. So Pakistan are known as one nation as they are united under one ideology which is based on two-nation theory, which was the foundation of creation of Pakistan. According to surveys, 90% Pakistanis are ready to sacrifice their everything for the sake of their beloved homeland. Then why outer world see us as a crowd? From my point of view, literacy is the main problem. In Pakistan, still 55% of Pakistanis not educated. So whenever time comes to make a decision, they could not. For example, if we see elections time, election is the most sensitive time in every single country of the world, where people choose whom the country had, who can run their country successfully and takes care of their nation. But in Pakistan, when election time comes, our nation convert into crowd. In Pakistan, election is the favoritism. People choose their favorite person to win without thinking that other person can do his job properly or not. But if we see an educated person, he only choose who can do good for the country and country people, because he or she understands the value of election, that how their decision play important role in the future of the country. That's why our guide said nation about the importance of education, that education is most powerful than sword. That's why increase education in the country so no one can defeat you. In fact, our leaders gave us Pakistan by the power of education, not sword, in which we can clearly see that education is the key of success. So now it is time to accept our major mistake and spread education every corner of the country and be united when our country needs us for making correct decision for the country future. Make Pakistan proud, make Pakistani proud. As our guide said, if you will work in cooperation, forgetting the past, wearing the hat, you are bound to succeed. So that's it for today's presentation. Hope you all like it. For more videos, please subscribe, like and share my channel and videos and comment. Inshallah, we will meet in my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.